The car I'm driving is a 2015 BMW 335i. I've been a BMW guy for a long time, and it's a great car. It's got some extras added onto it. It's not your typical 335, and so I was really anxious to get it out on the track and see what it would do. We're here at Track Night in America, which is an event sponsored by the SCCA, the Sports Car Club of America, designed for guys like me who like cars to be able to actually get on a racetrack in a very low stress, low cost, just a kind of a fun atmosphere. My favorite part is probably just the atmosphere. You've got a lot of very cool cars, very cool guys. Everyone's very laid back and it's very friendly, helping each other out. Every once in a while someone gets into some trouble on the track and there's always plenty of hands to jump in to help them out. Something else that's really cool about this for someone like me is I've spent my entire life playing with cars, fixing them up a little bit, and you're always looking at things like brakes and tires and shocks, and the truth is, for a car that drives on the street, none of that really makes much difference. But here on the track, it absolutely makes a difference.